Good gracious day, everyone. I'm here live at SGI Tianay Sports Complex to interview the students about the soon coming Valentine's Day.
Ano sa camera? Yes.
Hello! What's your reaction about Valentine's Day, Kuya David?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Valentine's Day. It's about loving each other.
Oh!
What do you like most about Valentine's Day?
I like about Right.
Thank you, Kuya David. Back to you.
Miss Luga, what can you say about the Valentine's Day last Friday?
About the Valentine's, I can say something.
What can you say about the Valentine's Day last Friday?
It's kinda useless to me.
Why?
Because the girl I met is so ugly. I don't like him very much. I wanna die him.
Is that all?
You know?
Is that all?
No.
What?
Yeah, it's not all.
Mr. Krika, what can you say about Valentine's Day last Friday? What can you say about Valentine's Day? You can't say anything? Why are you being Yung nga!
Joseph's bulletin board for Valentine's Day. You can see there's a cupid and a big heart to capture the attention for students and teachers around.